Hello everyone. Today in this video we will learn how to minimize the Boolean expression. In the previous video I told you up to the use of Boolean laws, the different use of Boolean laws and the De Morgan's theorem, the expansion of De Morgan's theorem, the proof of De Morgan's theorem. So in the next topic we will discuss about minimization of Boolean expressions. To minimize the Boolean expressions, we have to follow some rules. First of all, I can say that the expression can be minimized by two ways: algebraic method and Karnaugh map, K-map. This K-map is not in your syllabus, so we will learn about algebraic method of minimization of Boolean expressions. So to minimize any of the Boolean expression, we have to follow some of the rules. We have to keep in our mind some of the rules. As first, multiply all the variables to remove parentheses. If parentheses are given in the expression, then we have to remove the parentheses. As for example, a plus b multiplied by a plus b bar, it is 0. So both of these terms should be multiplied. When we multiply the terms, the parentheses will be removed. So if the parentheses are given, the first thing is to remove the parentheses. Second, look for identical terms and drop one of them. If a plus b came two times in an expression, so one time it can be dropped, as the formula we are having, that is x plus x equals to x, or x into x equals to x. So if identical terms are given, one of them will be dropped. Look for a variable and its complement in the same term. If a bar b is given, if this is a term a bar b, a variable and its complement in the same term, such terms can be dropped. Here it is in multiplication, we know x into x bar equals to 0 as a complementarity term. X into x bar equals to 0. So this term and 0 into b equals to 0. X into 0 equals to 0. So such terms can be eliminated, can be dropped. So we have to identify these terms also. Number 4, look for pairs of terms that are identical except of one variable. If one variable is missing, it can be dropped. As we can say, ABC plus AB. So AB can be taken as common, C plus 1 is left, C plus 1, X plus 1 is 1. It is AB dot 1 X into 1 equals to X as AB. So this exceptional term means term which is not matched, that can be dropped. The variable, if rest of the variables are matched except the one variable, that particular odd variable will be dropped. So these are the simple rules. Last one, use the Boolean laws to reduce the expression. First one is to multiply all the variables, to remove parentheses. Second thing, look at the identical terms and drop one of them. Third one, look for a variable and its complement. If both are the things in the same variable, so the total, the whole term will be eliminated or dropped. Look for the pairs of terms that are identical except of one variable. The rest of the variables are identical, but one variable is missing, so that can be eliminated, that can be dropped. And proper use of Boolean laws according to the situation given, that will reduce the Boolean expression. So reducing Boolean expression means that we have to reduce the number of gates used, number of terms used, so that it can be properly reduced, we can say. I will show you one example. As writing a term a b bar c d bar plus a b bar c d plus a b c d bar plus a b c d. Look at this. Look at this term. We have to reduce this expression up to कि उसके बाद ये reduce ना होगा. No parenthesis is given. So look for the terms which can be removed from here. A b bar c and a b bar c are common. We have taken, it is d bar plus d. Here a b c are common. So plus ABC d bar plus d. So x plus x bar equals to 1. The rule it is placed, x plus x bar equals to 1. So d bar plus d equals to 1. So a b bar c into 1 plus a b c into 1. X into 1 is x. So it is a by b bar c plus a b c. Look at it. A and C are identical, not B. So AC is common. In bracket it is B bar plus D. Again, x plus x bar equals to 1. Complementarity law. So it is AC into 1, and finally the reduced term is AC. The expression is reduced. One more. Not only we can reduce, but also we can prove LHS equals to RHS. I am showing you the example which is to be proved as LHS equals to RHS. In this case, whenever we are going to prove, when we are going to prove any of the expression, we should have to remember these terms in our mind. The term is x plus y into x bar plus z equals to xz plus x bar y. We have to prove LHS equals to RHS. Now, look at here, parentheses are given, multiply both the terms. X is multiplied with it, x bar plus xz, x bar plus xz plus x bar y plus yz. We are taking LHS. This is the multiplication. Look at it. X bar is dropped. X into x bar equals to 0. So it is left xz plus x bar y plus yz. We can rearrange the term xz plus yz plus x bar y. There z is taken common. X plus y plus x bar y. Look at here, x plus y. We know the formula, distributive law, x plus x bar y equals to x plus y. So this x plus y can be written as x plus x bar y. Z x plus x bar y plus x bar y. Here, open this bracket, xz plus x bar yz plus x bar y. Here xz, x bar y is common here. We have taken x bar y as common. It is z plus 1. So z plus 1 is 1. Xz plus x bar y is 2. By this method, we have been proved it. So either by proving LHS equals to RHS or minimizing the expression, we have to use these laws, these formulas, these rules and Boolean laws properly. So after this video, I'll give you one assignment to minimize some of the Boolean expressions. Revise it. We'll meet again with the next video.